future of technology begins with the right foundation. At GLA University, the Computer Engineering and Applications Department prepares you to build, innovate, and lead.
At GLA University, we focus on building strong fundamentals along with real-world exposure. Our students benefit from modern labs, industrial learning, and a culture that encourages imagination, innovation, and critical thought process. We aim to shape confident professionals who are ready to take on the evolving demands of the tech world of tomorrow.
Here, learning goes beyond theory. It's about solving real problems, building real solutions, and gaining real confidence.
In the computer science department, learning goes beyond the classroom. Our students actively participate in national and international events like hackathons, conferences, live projects, and coding competitions.
From coding to application development, every step is focused on practical learning and skill building.
Students gain hands-on experience, work on real-world applications, and develop strong problem-solving skills. Through continuous mentoring and an industry-oriented curriculum, we ensure that our students become industry-ready.
And when it comes to careers, preparation starts early and stays consistent.
So at GLA, as a part of our training and development initiative, we not only prepare students for the skill building, we also prepare them for the confidence and, more importantly, the adaptability that is much desired in 21st century's workplace.
At GLA University, it's not just about earning a degree, it's about becoming a skilled professional, ready for the tech industry.